up your water quality sensor to your AirLink. It's pretty simple. You've got your AirLink device and you've got your Pasport device, and you just have to connect the two. It's as simple as that. Over here on your Pasport device, you've got a couple of different options. You can choose from a glass, a beaker, or running water. I did note that when using these, just pressing the button will not allow you to choose the different ones. You actually have to press and hold it down until the light lights up over on your button, so you know which you're testing. I'm going to test, actually let's go ahead and test from this one. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now what I have is, in one of our sensors I have placed some water from our tap, and I'm going to go ahead and hook it up. You'll notice on the edge here there are some words not real clear on the video, but you want to put it in here. I'm going to check for the pH. Put it in and turn the device until it clicks. Did you hear the click? That way we know that it's in. Okay, after it is in, it's beginning testing the water that's in here. Now I want to record the data. To record the data, we need to go back to our iPod or iPad. Now I've got an iPad up here, and what I want to do is I want to go find my Spark View. Let me see if I can find that here. I'm going to click on my Science folder, and here is the Spark View app. This is a free app. You can go ahead and download it from the App Store. And I've done a couple of different tests. I'm going to run another one today. I'm going to click plus. I'm going to give it a title. I'm almost embarrassed to say this is my household water. Let's see what it looks like. I took it from the bathroom sink. You'd be surprised how poorly some of this can show up. Okay, now it's going to do your measurement, your units. I'm going to do the pH. I'm not going to do temperature right now. Click done. Sample rate. Let's do seconds. And duration. Let's do automatic stop after 30 seconds. You see there's a couple of different choices you can choose from. Then I'm going to click done. Then I'm going to press my household water. And then down here at the bottom there's a green start button. Hit the start button. Ooh, look at that. Collecting lots of data for me. Graphing it all out. Remember, I stopped it after 30 seconds, so we're only at 14 seconds right now. Almost to 30 seconds. Alright, and we have stopped. Okay, so now that I've collected my data, you know, ideally if you were in the classroom situation, you would want the kids to test from a variety of areas, or to take that same test multiple times, you know, make sure that they have a control. Now over here in the right hand corner, you've got a couple of different options. This button right here is your equation button. If you pull that up, it's going to show you, this is your first one, the minimum, the maximum, the number of seconds, and development. There's also another button right here that looks like a box with an arrow going towards the right. If you press that, that's showing you there's a couple of different ways that you can pull this data out. You can email it as an SCV file, you can email it as a zip file, or you can open it as an CSV file. Now in order to email it from the iPod or the iPad, you would have to have the email set up. I don't know if you already have that set up or not. That's another lesson. But you may open it as a CSV, so let's see what that looks like. When I click on that, it gives me a couple options based on some apps that I have on my device. I do have a Dropbox account, which is free. It'll open it in there for me. I do have a Teacher Tool 1, which that doesn't really work very well for students. I do have a free Evernote account, which you could open it in. And Lino is a Linoit online sticky account. I don't want to open it in there. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in Dropbox. Okay, so here's my Dropbox account. I'm going to put it in my public spot, and then I'm going to click Upload. And then now, I'm going to open it up so we can see what it looks like. So here are all of my rows and columns of data. From here, I can, continue to save it. I could email it to myself from the other place as well, and then I could open it in Microsoft Excel or whatever spreadsheet program that you may have. And from there, I can then analyze the information. I can also do it from here, although I've noticed when using Dropbox or Evernote, I can't really click on the data and make any changes. This is pretty much just a viewer, just like a PDF, so it doesn't give me a whole lot of functionality. If I hit my home button and go back to Spark View, I can then open this back up again. Up here in the top right hand corner, there's a page with a little pen on it. If I open that, that gives me a spot to take some notes if I want to take some notes. When I'm finished, I can click Done, and this takes me back to my experiments.